I represent 1,000 souls who never made it this far. They're watching from the other side of the stars.
My mother and father packed their dreams up in banana boxes and loaded it onto the back of a truck. That's what brought us here. A dream, drenched in sweat.
Your new name will be John.
The real story started with a dream. It started with our nana. We tell our dad's story, all the things he went through as a young freshie who couldn't speak English in Auckland. We go through those periods to when he moved to Christchurch, and then I tell my story, and my brother tells his story, and it all interweaves, and everything in it is true.
You will spend 7 days in solitary confinement on security. Take him away.
Well, I was in prison. I was the librarian, and I came across a book by Albert Wendt, Sons for the Return Home. Then I started thinking about the reason why we came here in the first place, and I got really down on myself. But there was a psychotherapist there who helped me articulate my feelings about it, and told me to write to Albert Wendt, tell him how I felt. I wrote to Albert, he wrote back, encouraged me, and I started writing a book about myself just to exorcise myself from it. I thought, I'll put myself in a book, chuck it out there, and then I can breathe free, But having this play, we've had to relive that book, and seeing myself replayed by my sons has been really emotional for me, and it's been really cathartic because I'm looking at how I was, and I'm thinking, gee, I was a real bad bugger. I wasn't a very good parent. And then the boys tell their story about how I was, Yeah.
I never looked forward to anything more. The day you would be released, and we would be a family again. 78 to 83, you were locked up. We were all locked up. I was 3 when you went in. I'm 8 when you get out.
Yeah, we're a family of men that never really spoke to each other at all, only through our mum, so... Yeah, it's been an amazing journey, actually. To finally speak about it and to know that what we're saying is going to be accepted with love and spoken with love. So it's been a healing journey, not only just the play that you're rehearsing, it's our life, be it for all, and the emotions build up. But
I'll quit the play twice.
Yeah.
We are all very different personalities, and the dynamics of our personality is something that has taken a while to realign. But I mean, that's been part of the healing process because we all have our own issues. It's been a crazy emotional roller coaster.
It's not like a character you can just drop at the end and go, okay, yeah, sweet. It's like you could take it home
ourselves.
Yeah. Take it home, and then you think, how truthful am I going to be? Is this person? It's me, so I've got to go deep. Yeah.
Not just amusement. I made it so you could use it for your own improvement.
There kind of comes a point where you can't blame the past on decisions you can make now.
We're at a stage in our life now where we can accept and forgive each other for, certain behaviours. So.
We're at peace, otherwise we wouldn't be able to do this. Putting this play on and putting ourselves out there, I think it's important because a lot of the themes in this play and this work aren't spoken about.
It's not saying we want sympathy or you owe us this. We just want to say, this is what happened to us. We're giving it to you. If you can get something out of it, well and good. If it gets you thinking about anything, well and good.
Every family in New Zealand has darkness. It gets swept under the carpet most of the time, but now it's time to vacuum.
Clean the house.